Hey Jewel, so I am coming today to show you all how I am getting my hair for a protective style, honey. I have been running myself ragged trying to maintain my hair as well as the many hats that I wear as a wife and as a mother, and so I said this is it. Thank God for some weave because I am about to braid my hair up and I will be thoroughly moisturizing my hair. So anytime you are doing a protective style, you need to make sure you go in and moisturize your hair before putting the braids in. Because keep in mind, if you go to moisturize your hair, if you go to add weave in your hair and your hair isn't moisturized and you don't do it while it's actually in a protective style, imagine what kind of hair you're going to get when you take it down. You're going to get some crunchy, brittle, dry hair. So my hair is already moisturized, detangled, and it's ready to go. I can literally start braiding it if I wanted to. But I'm showing you all how I prep. I'm going to wash it again though. It feels a little itchy. It's really soft though. But I'm going to wash it or maybe just rinse it. I don't know. I'm going to do something. But the pre-stretched and feathered Senegalese twist. These are 14 inches and they are they're the skinny ones. They're not super skinny, but they're the medium size. I got 4 bags. And what I am doing for this particular style is I am going through and I'm rolling my ends. And this is going to take time because it's a lot of hair, but it's okay. It's okay. This is going to cut down on the time that I have to do my hair. I just want a new look. Now, it's nothing against my hair. I love my hair. But I just want to look at something different. I want to do something different. I want to break. So I am showing y'all what I am getting ready for. So I am just prepping this crochet braid hair. And once I do this, I'll show you all a little bit of how I do it because this is a tedious process. So what I'm going to do is show y'all how I roll the hair. I just have my rollers now. I got longer rollers. I have the longer blue ones. I have the longer blue ones and the shorter blue ones. But you either one to work. They're the same size. They're just a little shorter. But you get the roller and you get it and you start where you want the curl to start. So this hair is short and that's okay. I'm okay with that. I want short hair. So this hair is gonna hang to my chest. It just roll up a couple inches, it's fine. So I'm just gonna get that roller and I'm gonna start it at the bottom of the hair. And once I started at the bottom, I'm gonna go to the top of the roller and I'm just gonna roll it. So I said that's probably about 3 to 4 inches. And just roll it, just twist it around the roller. And what I do is get my piece of the roller and I just wrap it around to give it that tightness to keep it from popping and unraveling. So that's what I am doing to. There's a total of 4 of them. Now I'm not saying I'm going to use them all, but I have 4 bags just in case I need to use them all. So I'm gonna get a big pot. I'm gonna get a really big pot and I'm gonna fill it with water and I'm gonna take each bundle. I'm gonna take this whole paper and dip each one and lay them under a towel and I'm gonna let those dry for maybe about 2 days. I'm gonna let them dry, air dry. They come out more tight. The curls come out tight and it comes out crisp. So I'm gonna let that dry. And that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to install. Don't you hate when you in the middle of something and you have to go to the store for something? You be like, can I please just finish this? Then you got to stop what you're doing and go all the way to the hair store and don't be in the middle of your hairstyle. Now you got to put the cap on or you got to put the bonnet on just to make it to the store so nobody see you or recognize you in the hair store. You just be trying to get in there and get your extra hair and get out. Don't y'all just hate that? Tell me some rants that you have when you do your hair. Don't you hate? So finish this off in the comment section. Don't you hate when? Tell me what it is that you hate when you in the middle of styling your hair. Drop it below in the comment section. 1 pack down. 3 more to go. Hey Jewel, I am back y'all and I am ready. So I washed my hair. It is prepped with a co-wash. I did a light co-wash and I went in with followed up with some conditioner, and it is already detangled. I am going in with my leave-in, and I am going in with my hair oil. Stress relievers, love your hair and scalp oil. That hair oil really gives love to your hair. So that's what I am going in to do. It makes my hair so soft. It locks in the moisture. I tell you, it's a really good lubricant for your hair. It is perfect with the LOC or the LOC or the LCO method. I tell you, like, it's really good. It's a really good product. It's for all hair types. Don't feel like, oh, my hair is like this, I can't worry. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. It doesn't matter your texture. It doesn't matter the type of hair you have. You can use this oil. You can use it. And so after, I'm just making sure it's a little detangled even further. Just making sure, because once I go in with the oil, this is going to be the last step. And then I'm going to go in and blow dry my hair so I can get it ready for this protective style. So when you get ready to go in to do a protective style,
you must
moisturize your hair. Make sure your hair is in a good condition when you put it up in braids. Or you must go in with with some good moisturizing hair products and seal it in with the oil. That was 1 drop, 2, 3. So I usually do maybe 2 to 3 drops, just depending. You don't need much. You don't need much. That's why it's offered in a small bottle, because you do not need a lot of this oil. I'm telling you, you don't need it. You don't need a lot. This one is done. So I'm going to just go in with a leave-in. And I'm going in with the leave-in. And then I am going in with the oil to seal it off. And this one is ready for the blow dry brush. So that is all I'm doing. And I go and make sure I got that oil mixture right here. The oil mixture and leave-in right there. I put it on my edges, making sure everything is moisturized and supple for when I go and put the braids in.
And the moisturization don't stop.
I go in within a couple of days as well to make sure I'm misting, moisturizing, and adding oil to my scalp and my hair. I have done this for years. I have always moisturized and added oil to my scalp when I wore braids, protective twist, or whatever it was. So as I was about to blow dry my hair, my blow dryer brush went out, so I have to use my backup hair blow dryer. I am going in and trimming my ends. Alright, I have washed, blow dried, and trimmed my hair. I was due for a trim. Fawn hair is the hardest hair to grow because it is prone to so much damage because of the size of the actual strand. Also, curly hair tends to tangle and knot on each other. So imagine that, fine hair plus tangled hair and curls and knots. It's a recipe for disaster. So just so you know, if you have fine hair like me, it is not easy growing this type of hair. It is not. You turn around and next thing you know, you feel like you got tangles again. You feel like you got knots again. You feel like, dang, I just trimmed and my hair already have knots. And I have struggles, and I still have struggles. And this is one. Knots and tangles is a nightmare for my hair. Oh my goodness. But I just go through. I'm not going to make it too small, because if I make it too small, I will have millions of crochet braid hair in my head, and I do not want that, because my head is big. I am back with the braids. I have done the braids so far, and then at the back I just simply went in and did some braids going 3 braids on each side going to the middle, and then the back is just a beehive all the way up, and I've sewn the braids inside as well as crocheted one of the braids from here up inside. So it is all sealed up, and I am going in before I start the crochet braid process. I am going to oil my scalp. I noticed as I was oiling, I noticed that my scalp was dry. So I'm going to go in and just oil my scalp. Crochet braiding the front, just sticking the needle through. So I started on this side. Now I'm working my way across. So all I'm doing is just getting the crochet braid hair, and my part is going to be right here, and so I'm going in this way, and when I do it, the hair will bulge like this for now, but once I'm finished, the hair is going to lay flat on this side. Adding the crochet hair to the needle, pulling down, and then opening up this twist so the end part of the twist can fit in the hole. Be careful not to unravel the hair or cause any hair to be pulled out of the twist. Hair to the hook. Close the needle. Pull it through the braid. Pull up just a little. You don't have to go too far. Enough to open that twist with your 2 fingers, your thumb and your forefinger. Then you pull that piece through that opening, and you just slide the hair down the strand. Here is the finished result. I just went in and gave myself an edge up. I'm gonna show you all how it looked. Here it is. And how I'm going to wear it today is I'm going to have some up and some down. Wear it for today and give me some cute earrings. So this is how I'm going to rock it today. And so when I say that, when you go into people's hair and you can see that the pieces and how it's like locked on, I didn't want that with my hair. I don't like that look. I'm just very particular, and so I went through and I filled in the holes and made it look as natural as possible with the circumstances that I have. So here is how it looks. And so on the inside, my hair is thick, but on the inside, I went through and made it fill in any holes. So it looks more natural, like coming out of the scalp. Now the way I braided the braids, 3 braids. I braided the braids going 3 here, and going up, just to give it that look that when I pull it up, that it look like it's actual 2-strand twist, or they look like kinky twist, but twist going naturally out of the scalp. So that's how I did that, to have that natural look. At this current moment, I'm not leaving anywhere, so I'm not going to put on any earrings. I am cute without my earrings. Okay, so that is the finished look. This is the style that I have, and this is how I'm going to rock it. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments, go down below and put your comments there. If you like the video, subscribe. I just noticed my hair was saying it needs a break, and I needed a break, and so for that reason we went to this ta-da protective style. But like, comment, and share. If you know somebody who would love this hairstyle, may have long hair and trying to conceal their hair, or want to know how to crochet their hair, send it their way. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all take care. Bye bye.